Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jen, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a sprinkle cake. Sprinkle cakes are a really easy way to make an adorable, festive, colorful cake, especially if you haven't quite learned how to smooth out frosting yet. In this video, we're going to be starting with an already frosted cake, so if you don't know how to build and frost your cake yet, go ahead and check out my tutorial. There's a lot of tips and tricks in there on how to get a smooth cake, but really for this purpose, you only have to worry about getting the correct shape. Here's the tools you're going to need if you want to take a quick screenshot of this. So for a 6-inch round 3-layer cake, which I'll be using in this video, you're going to want to have at least 10 ounces of sprinkles. And technically, what I'm using are actually called quins. So they're little circular round flat discs, and I think these look the most polished on a cake that is completely covered in sprinkles or quins. You're going to want to buy these in one bag to be cost effective. I bought mine on Amazon, but you can also buy them at a craft store such as Michael's or a restaurant supply store. Okay, so let's start decorating the cake, the fun part. So you're going to take your cake and hold it over these sprinkles, and you're just going to take big handfuls of sprinkles and push them against the cake, and the frosting acts like glue. If you're using a crusting buttercream, make sure you do this right after you frost your cake so it doesn't do that crusting over I was talking about. If it does happen, you can just run your spatula over it and kind of scrape off the outermost layer of frosting, and then it'll become sticky again. So I purposely did not frost the cake very smoothly, just to show you how you don't have to be good at frosting your cake smoothly. You do have to have a good shape, because the sprinkles aren't going to cover up the shape of your cake, but they will cover up all the other flaws in the frosting, which is great. So I like to start at the side of top of the cake and really get it right to the edge, because that's the hardest part to go back and fill in. So I do that first, and then I like to do the very top of the cake, and then I like to work my way down the sides. And then when you're done pressing on all the sprinkles, just take a look if there's any holes or anywhere. And if there is a hole, you just simply, pick up the sprinkles and press them against that part. If for some reason it's not sticking to one part, which isn't typical, but you never know, you could use corn syrup, and just kind of brush a little corn syrup on that part, and it'll act like glue, and the sprinkles will stick to that. They call corn syrup Mother Nature's glue. So once all the sprinkles are on, now all you have to worry about is getting them off the cake board. So I like to just go around and push all the loose ones off the cake board. But then some of them that are close to cake, I'll just use my spatula and push them into the cake so that they stick. Now, it's totally not necessary, and may not be worth the risk if you're a beginner. But I like to run my spatula around the cake just to push any loose sprinkles in, but totally not necessary. And that's it. Now you know how to make a sprinkle cake. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.